Hey, hello, welcome to Dream Story. Today we explain Dream Story of Hollywood, so let's begin. How Hollywood starts. The story of Hollywood begins in the late 19th century, when Thomas Edison developed the first motion picture camera. Soon after, filmmakers began flocking to California, attracted by its diverse landscapes and abundant sunshine. By the early 1900s, Hollywood had become a hub for movie production, with studios like Universal, Warner Brothers, and Paramount Pictures setting up shop in the area. In the 1920s, Hollywood experienced a golden age of filmmaking, with the introduction of sound and the creation of the first talkies. This era produced some of the most iconic films and stars of all time, including Gone with the Wind, The Wizard of Oz, and actors like Clark Gable and Bette Davis. What's challenge Hollywood face? The 1950s brought new challenges to Hollywood, including the rise of television, which led to a decline in movie theater attendance. However, Hollywood adapted by creating larger-than-life spectacles like Ben-Hur and Cleopatra to draw audiences back to the theaters. In the 1970s, Hollywood saw the emergence of a new generation of filmmakers, including Francis Ford Coppola, Martin Scorsese, and Steven Spielberg. These directors created groundbreaking films like The Godfather, Taxi Driver, and Jaws, which cemented Hollywood's reputation as the global leader in movie production. Hollywood hit movies. In the 1990s and early 2000s, Hollywood continued to thrive, producing blockbuster hits like Titanic, The Lord of the Rings, and the Harry Potter series. However, the industry also faced new challenges with the rise of digital streaming services, which have disrupted traditional distribution models and created a more competitive marketplace. Despite these challenges, Hollywood remains the vital center of the global entertainment industry, producing films and TV shows that captivate audiences around the world. From its humble beginnings as a dusty outpost in California to its current status as a cultural powerhouse, the story of Hollywood is one of constant evolution.